Hey, I'm Kristen from CleanBuild Studio. Today we're taking a deep dive into Home Assistant Core, the brain behind your smart home. Your smart home has hundreds of moving parts, sensors, switches, automations, all speaking different languages. And yet, behind all that complexity, there's a single brain coordinating it all. Home Assistant Core is the engine that makes your smart home tick. It's written in Python and designed to run locally, meaning your automations stay in your home, not in the cloud. Core handles three things: listening to events, remembering states, and triggering actions. Think of it as a nervous system, constantly listening, reacting, and updating. Every time a device changes, a light turns on, a motion sensor detects movement, Home Assistant fires an event. Those events travel across what's called the event bus. It's like a citywide PA system where every integration and automation can hear what's happening. While the event bus handles communication, the state machine handles memory. When an event happens, the state machine updates instantly, and automations can check those states to decide what to do next. Automations are where the magic happens. Each automation listens for an event or a state change, checks if certain conditions are true, and then performs an action. Whether you build them in YAML or in the UI, they all run through the same core logic, a clean, local event-driven system. If you've heard of the supervisor, it's the manager that sits above core in the full Home Assistant OS installation. The supervisor handles updates, backups, and add-ons. Core itself stays focused on running the logic. The brain doesn't manage the house, it just makes the decisions. Understanding Home Assistant Core isn't just for developers. It's the key to building smarter, more reliable automations. Once you understand how events and states move through the core, you can debug faster, automate better, and even contribute to open source. And if you want more deep dives like this one, subscribe and join me. Next week we'll take a deep dive into Home Assistant integrations.